Hi learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the new topic, that is the cubes and cube roots. So here this is the somewhat the same like we have already done the previous topic, that is the squares and the square roots. So this is somewhat similar to that one. So you can just, if you have not watched that topic, you can have a look at that as well. So we will go for the part 1 today. So now let's go directly with the exercise. Wherever is this possible, I'll give the anything new from that, I'll give you the explanation. So we'll just go directly with the exercise now. So now here they said it is evaluate 8. This is the, when we write in the exponent 3, that is the cube. So 8 cube means what we are going to do? We are going to multiply this 8 3 times. So what will be that? 8 is a 64. And you can just see, you can multiply and see 64 8s are. So that is going to be 512. So now here again, here 15 cube means 15 into 15 into 15. So 15 5s are 225, and this will be, when you multiply this one, so that is going to be 3375. Again you will do for this one 21 into 21 into 21. So that will be 441 into 21. That is going to be 9261. So now here 60 into 60 into 60. So now this is easy. Now you will just count 6 6 are 36 and 36 6 are, that is going to be 216, and you will put 3 zeros. So now you will go for this one, that is 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2. So the answer is here. That will be, you can just have a look at, that will be 1.728. So again this will be 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. You can just multiply and see the answer. You can write the answer over here when you multiply it, so that will save time. So now again for this one, 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8. Again for this one, you can just multiply, or else I'll show you here for this one, because this is just 6 6 are 64. Sorry, 8 here, 8 8 are 64, and 64 8s are, first you will write here. So that will be 48 512. So sorry, here 512. So now what will you do? After writing this 512, you will count the number of this one. This is a decimal. So you will go backwards 1, 2, and 3. So you will go here backwards 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you will put a decimal. So it will be 0.512. So the answer is 0.512. Same thing when you multiply this as well. First you will do 35 into 35 into 35, and then whatever the answer you get, you will go backwards 3 digits, because this is 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. Now the next one here, again this will do the same. So what will you do here? 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125. You'll write here 125, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will go backward 6, 1, 2, 3. We have only 3 numbers, so 4, 5, 6, we'll put the zeros, and then we are going to put a decimal. So it is 0.000125. 0.000125. That is the answer. Now here evaluate. This is in the fraction. So what we have to do, whenever we have this 3 here, means it should be this as well as this one. So we can also write this one as 4 by 7 into 4 by 7 into 4 by 7. So this will be, you're multiplying, going to multiply this. This will be 64, and this will be 243, 343. 7 sevens are 49, and 49 sevens are, that will give it 343. Now same for here. So that is going to be 1000 divided by 11 11s is 121, and 121 11s are, that will be 1331. So this is the answer. So now here 15, or you can also do like this, 1 by 15 into 15, because 1 cube is going to be, or you can do the same here, 1 by 15 into 1 by 15 into 1 by 15, because 1 into 1 is 1. So this is going to be 1 by, we have already done this one, 15 15s are 225, and 225 15s are, that is 3375. So now see here, this you have to make it to, this is in a mixed fraction. So you have to make it to improper one. So this will be multiplied 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 by 10. So you will write here 13 by 10, and this is raised to 3. So this will be 13 by 10 into 13 by 10 into 13 by 10. So this is going to be 13 13s are 169, and 169 13s are, so this is going to be 169. So 2197. So 2197 divided by, that will be 3 zeros, that will be 1000. So this you can also write this one, this is in the improper one, so you can write here, when you divide this one, you get, say, because here 2197, when you divide it by 1000, so what do you get? 2s are 2000. So this is going to be 1000, 196 remains, so 2 integers, 197 by 1000. So this you can write in a mixed fraction as 2 integers, 197 by 1000. So now let us see with the next one. They says that which of the following numbers are perfect cubes? These are the numbers given. There are some numbers given, and we have to find which are the, in each perfect cube, find the number whose cube is the given number. So now let us see here. This is 125. So we will take the, the prime factorization method. So 125, we are going to take the, always we'll start with the lowest number, which is not possible with 2. 3 is not possible, then 3 is not possible, because here we will go with 5. 5 2s are, this will be 25s are, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. So the factors of 125, 5 into 5 into 5. So this is going to be 5 into 5 into 5. So this is going to be 5 cube. So now what are you going to do? So here this is no factor is left, means this all are 3. They are equal factors. So this is a, so therefore it is a perfect cube, because these are 3. Because after this nothing is left over here, there is no remainder. So we can say it is a perfect cube. So you can write here, we can see that no factor is left. We can see that no factor is left. So now we have 243. Let us take here. So 243 means this will be by 8. This will be by 3. This will be 8. 3 8s are, and this one will be 3 27s are, 3 9s are, and 3 3s are, and again here 3 1s are. Again we can see that here what happens here, we can, when we make a group of 3, so these are 5 here. So now we can see this is, for this one we have 3 numbers, like 1 2 3, the 3 is 3. So this is one group, but here you can see 1 is missing, 1 3 is missing. So we can say, therefore it is here, this is not a perfect square. So it is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. I'll just write it here. Not a perfect square. Now for the next one, this is 343, that was 243. So now this goes, actually it doesn't go with 3, it goes with 7 directly. You can have a check. So now what you can see, this is a group of 3. So here we can say this is a perfect square. We can see because we have three numbers over here, the same one. So it is a perfect square. So it is a perfect square. So the next one now for 256. This goes with the number 2. Then again here, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and here 2 1s are. So now we'll make a group of this one. This is 3, a group of 3. But here you can see one number here. There are only 2 numbers. So because these are the group of 3, this also is a group of 3. But here you can see it is just a group of 2. That means one number is missing over here. So it is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. So now let us look for this 8,000 here. So 8,000, we can write this one as 2 1,000, 2 500, so 2 250. So now again 2 125. So we can write it here. Now 2, this is going to be, this doesn't go with 2. So here we have 2 125s are, this doesn't go with 2. So it will go with 5. So that should be 5 25s are, and then again here 5 5s are, and here 5 1s are. So what we can see here, how many 2s do we have here? This is one group. We have 3 2s. Here again, here 2. And here what we can see, this is 1, 2, and 3. So this we have, all of them have 3 equal factors. So we can say it is a perfect square. Therefore, it is a perfect square. So now let us look for the next one. So this is 9261. So this will go with 3. So it is going to be, again this will go with 3. Again this goes with 3. So now this doesn't go with 3, but this will go with 7. So now let us see. This is a group of 3, same 3, 3, 3, and this also 7, 7, 7. So we can say it is a perfect square. Perfect square. So now again for this one, 5, 3, 2, 4. This will go with 2, 2, 6. So here again it will go with 2. Then this is not possible with any other number other than 11. You can just have it check. So it will be 11 ones are, then again this, so remaining is this 11 twos are and 121. So again you should know the perfect squares, or at least till 20. So now this 11 11s are 121. If you know the perfect squares, so then it's easy. So now here 11 ones are. So now what you can see here, these are only 2 numbers. We need 3 numbers of 2 and 2. So third number is not there, it's missing here. And here we have 11. So it should be a group of 3, the same number. So this is not a perfect square. So we can say not a perfect square. So now let us see for this one, 3375. So here this goes with 3. Again this goes with 3. Again this goes with 3. But then this doesn't go with 3. We can go right for 5 here. So now what you can see again here, this is a group of, this is one group and this is other group. So it is a perfect square. Now let us see the next one. Which of the following are the cubes of even number? So now here 216. So even number cubes. So whenever we have a cube of a even number is also even. So here, can you see this one? This is a even number. Why? Because 6 is in the units place. So this is a even number. Here we don't have this, we have 9. So this is an odd number. This is a even number. And this is a odd number. So what we can say here, again here, this is a even number. So we can directly write over here, because for all these answers, I'll just write it directly one sentence, that we know that we can write cube of an even number is also even. Suppose you take the here cube of 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So what do you get here? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 8 also is an even number. If you take a cube of 1000, 1000 into 1000 into 1000, so that is going to be, you will get here 3, 6 and 9 zeros, right? So which is also a even number, because 0 is a even number. So we can say we know that cube of an even number is also even. Therefore, we can write in 1. So 216, 512. Sorry, first we'll write here 216, 512 and 1000 are cubes of even numbers. So now next one, they said which of the following are the cubes of odd numbers. So now we know the odd numbers means you have to look at the unit place digit. See here, you can see this is 5 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number. Then you can see this is even. So now this also is even. So now here this is an odd number. So we can write in one sentence over here that we know that cube of an odd number is also odd. Suppose we take cube of, now suppose we take 3, 3 into 3 into 3. So what do we get here? 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 is an odd number. So we know that cube of an odd number is also odd. So therefore we can write, which are the numbers? 125, 343 and here 9261 are cubes of odd numbers. So now the next one, find the smallest number by which 1323 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. So now what you have to do for this one, 1323 they said. So now let us first find out the factors of 1323. So now this goes with 3. Again this goes with 3. Now this goes with again 3. 3 fours are 12 and 3 nines are. Then this will go with 7. So now what you can see here, because this is a cube this side, so that it is a perfect cube. So now we can see a group of, this is a 3, 3, 3. It is 3 times. But we can see this is only 2 times. We need one more 7. So we have to, we can say, I can write here again, that is 1, 3, 2, 3 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. So that is much simple. See now this is 3 and this is when we group of just 2. So we can say therefore we should multiply 7 with 1, 3, 2, 3 to make it to perfect cube. So the next one, find the smaller number by which 2560 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Again, now we'll take the factors of 2560. So here this goes with 2. Again this goes with 2. Again this goes with 2. 2. With 2. And this is the last one is 5. So now we are going to take, first let me write directly over here, that will be more easier. How many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9. We have 9. And 5 we have just 1. So now we'll make a group, because it is a cube. Whenever it is a square, we'll make a group of 2. Whenever cube means you are going to make a group of 3, 6, and I missed one number, that is 2, because it is 9 times. 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. And then there is 5. So now to make it, what we have to do, we have to multiply by, we need 2 more 5. So what will you do? To make a perfect square, here is cube. For square, we need just 2 numbers. For here is cube, so we need square, we just need 1 number. And for cube, we need 2 numbers. We have to multiply. It is the same like a square. Only here we need 3 numbers. In square, we need 2 numbers. We have to multiply by 5 into 5. That will be by 5 into 5, because 1 is already there. So that is going to be 25. So we can say, what did they say? Find the smallest number. So therefore, smallest number is 25. Now the next one, find the smallest number by which 1600 must be divided so that the quotient is a, here it is said that should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect square. But again, we have to find the factors for this one first. And then let's see what to do. So this is going to be 2, 400, 200, 100. Here will be 50, here will be 25, and now this goes with 5, and this is going to be by 1. So now let me write first here. 1600 is, how many 2's we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 5. So we'll write here 5 into 5. So here, and these are only just 2, 5. So what did they say? By what it should be divided. So for divided means we are left with 5 and 5. So we can say hence least number to be divided for getting perfect cube is what? That is unit 25. Because if we divide by this one, these are the extra ones. If you divide this by 25, you will get the least number. So the next one, find the smallest number by which 8788 must be divided so that quotient is a perfect cube. So now let us see for this one. Again, we will take for 8788. So this is going to be 2 times again this will go with 2. Now this will go with 2197. Now let us see, because it's not possible with 3. Again, it's not possible here is 7. So this goes with 2197 goes with 13. So 13 ones are, this will be 13. So this is going to be 89. 13 5s, this will be 13 6 13 7s, the 13 6. So this is going to be 78. 13 7s will be 91. So here will be 6, 78. So this is be 117. So now again this is going to be 13 9s. So that is going to be 117. So 169. So this will go with 13 169. Again this will be 13 13s. So that will be 169, and this will be 13 ones. So now what we can write here, 8788 is equal to, so now what we can see, this is a group of the same 3. So we need, they said by which number it should be divided. So now we have, this is not complete. So we can write here, therefore, least number to be divided to get perfect square is equal to, what is that? 2 into 2, that is going to be 4. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.